It's cold here. It's really cold. I feel like where I live in Canada, it just got cold overnight. Like it was really warm and really nice. And now every time I go outside, it hurts. And the other day, I was looking for my closet when I was gonna go take Benson on a walk. And I was looking for my toque, AKA a beanie for everyone that does not live in Canada. I was looking for one and I could not find one. So we're gonna make one today with these. And I think I will make a pattern because I'm just gonna like kind of wing this scrap yarn beanie toque. So I'll have it down below, maybe. But to make this toque is actually really easy. Pretty much all we're doing is we're making a rectangle, stitch it together, put the top together, fold it over, and then we have a toque. But for supplies for this beanie toque, I have a lot of yarn. It's more like a worsted weight. And then for the crochet hook, it is a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. So I mentioned I'm going camping this weekend, right? Well, Benson is too. So I'm also planning out his outfits because he also needs to be toasty warm. So I did go to the pet store and buy him 3 jackets. Okay, I kind of just left you on a cliffhanger, so let me just show you the jackets I have for Benson so far. So first jacket I got is a rain jacket. This one is reversible, so if he's feeling like he wants to be very flashy, he can wear the iridescent side or blue. The next one is a puffer, which the one thing he does not have. Look how soft it is. The last one is the Sherpa with the hood and the zipper. Canada pooch. Benson, you haven't done anything today. How can you be this tired? The one thing I don't like about crochet, and it's probably one of the only things I don't like, is it's really hard to stack and crochet. What do you know? It's been 2 hours and I didn't finish it. Okay, I crocheted as much as I could before I needed a cookie break. I wish cookies, it took longer to eat because honestly, like they're so good for like the, you know, the 20 seconds you really eat them and then after you're just like, oh. I want another one. This is my progress. Do we kind of see the vision now? So I'm making it longer because I do want a fold here for the hat, but this is what I'm going for. Do we understand? Hi. Hi. Hi, Benson. So I'm just starting to realize this. It is 3:20. 3:21. And I started just after 11, so that's about 4 hours. I probably didn't crochet for the full 4 hours, so let's say like 2.5 I've done, and I'm not even halfway. So pretty much minimum, this toque is gonna take me 5 hours to do, minimum. So the one thing I have not done yet is measure my head, because I think for the toque, you're supposed to do it 2 inches smaller than your head because it stretches. I'm gonna guess my head is about 19 inches. I've never measured it before. It's 22 inches. I've always thought I had a small head, and I'm pretty sure 20 to 22 is like an average size head. I've been lying to myself my whole life. So I'm gonna make this piece right here 20 inches long. Oh, Benson wants to come outside. Come on. It's not very warm out here. Look how stunning that is. You're in my spot. I wish I could say I'm gonna be sitting on the couch tonight and finishing this toque and just watching movies and being super cozy and just chilling with Benson, but I actually have an event to go to tonight. It's a grand opening of a Value Village, and I got invited to go Thrift. I'll show you the haul later, bye. I'm just looking at my plants. They have not been watered in a while, so I need to do that before I get into the crochet. But before I water my plants and get into the crochet, I went to Value Village last night, like I told you, and I ended up getting some pieces. So I'm just gonna give you a very speedy thrift haul before we get back into the crochet. So first 2 pieces are blankets. I ended up finding a quilt. Look at this quilt. So you guys know what's gonna be happening with this one. I'm gonna make something out of it, but I am gonna use it for camping this weekend, I believe, so it'll get some use before, but I found this next blanket I found. Oh yes, look at her. Isn't she like the perfect green too? Like, look at the beautifulness of this blanket. What is that? Are these flowers? I don't know, and I don't care, I just love it. Now for the clothing. First piece is this Lululemon sports bra, which I just bought one of these, like the exact same except a different color, for $70. Isn't that pretty? And then the last piece I got were these white cargo pants. Do you see them? Just really love cargo pants lately. Yeah, this one is definitely not thirsty. Let me show you my progress. It's not really much different from yesterday. It might be about an inch more because I've been working on it this morning. Might be halfway. Yeah, about halfway now. And I need to finish this today, or I don't need to. I really want to finish it today, so I need to hunker down, put something on the TV, and just crochet my heart away. What are you doing? Are you wanting a belly rub? Are you wanting to go outside? Is that what you want? It is freezing out there. You're not going to want to go outside. Trust me. See, it's not very warm. I am actually getting close to being done this because I don't think I need to make this 20 inches long like I thought I needed to. Right now, we're sitting at 16 inches for the piece so far, and I think I want to make it about 18, 19, just because I want it to be snug. It is going to stretch out because I do have a decent amount of alpaca in here, and alpaca yarn just tends to stretch out a lot anyways. So I want to make it more fitted so it's not too loose in the future. I think I am at the point where this looks big enough for my head. Like if I wrap it around, it connects. So that's great. Another thing is, I think it got smaller. Like I started on this end and I'm finishing on this end. Okay, a lot shorter. For those who actually might be making this, I'm gonna try to show you guys quickly on how to attach it, okay? So pay attention. You do the crochet, loop through the first side where you're gonna crochet right here, and then you also just loop through the other side, and then you yarn over, pull it through, and then finish it. Then it looks like that. I look like an elf. I should just keep it like this. Like I feel like video done. Okay, it fits, so that's good, that's great, it fits. But we still got a little bit of work to do. I'm still contemplating if I want to keep all of the little danglers just there, or if I actually want to put the extra effort in and weave them in. Anyways, before I decide if I want to be lazy and trendy, or if I want to be overachiever and classic with this toque, I need to first close this thing in. Hello. So I think I'm just gonna try to weave in all these top pieces together just by legit just like weaving them in. Done. And I think I officially decided that I am going to be an overachiever for this one, and I'm not going to be trendy, and I'm going to tuck all of these ends in. So I'll be back in 10 hours. I'm finally done. I originally thought this was gonna take 2 hours, and here we are, 10 hours later. Okay, I don't think it took me that long. Maybe like 6 hours? I don't know. It took me a decent amount of time, but it's finally done. It fits my head perfect. I don't even want to take it off, so that's why I didn't like put it on and do like, you know, a grand reveal for you guys, because I put it on and then I just didn't want to take it off because it's so warm. Look at it. Should we, hey, let's do the 360. pretty good, right? I am gonna be so toasty this weekend when I'm camping in my hat. I'll insert a photo right here. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited. I finally have a toque. I probably had toques, but I don't know where they are. They're probably in my winter bin downstairs, aren't they? Yeah, they're probably with my ski stuff. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed making a crochet toque with me / beanie. So if you guys made one, be sure to tag me on Instagram at @JennaPhipps because I want to see your guys' creations. And also maybe just like this video, comment down below, subscribe, do whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go. I have to go buy Benson a little onesie for this weekend to go camping in, just because he has like a big parka puffer, but it doesn't cover his legs, so I need to get something, you know, to cover his legs. So we're gonna go to the store and buy him one. So see you guys later. Bye.